everybody. NASDAQ 30,000. Okay, NASDAQ 30,000. 30,000. Get your hats here, everybody. Get your hats. Hit the top upper resistance band from 2020. NASDAQ 2 up. There has to be an 8 to 15% correction, you think? 8%, 10, 50, what's a 15? I don't know about 15%. Stu, let's see what Stu's saying here. Hey, bear trader. Unbelievable. I wanted to go buy this, Jesus. 26,000 overnight. Let's see here. 15% of 30,000. Let's see. 0.15 is 3. That's right? No, it can't be. 30,000. 30,000 times 5. 4,500 points. Yeah. That's not bad. 25.5. I'll take it. I'll take it. Speed element. Hello, everybody. Hey, Schultze. Hello, everybody. Hello, hello, hello. Jesus. Micron 893 this on the close, and now it's up 20. Unbelievable. Hello, everybody. I'm Steve Kalayjian, and welcome to my Fund the Future Asia session. Yes, sir. All right, let's just see what's going to happen here. We got the 15-minute time frames. You got bear flag setting up here on the 15s, 30s. Beautiful long here. If you look here on the NASDAQ futures, you can see the NASDAQ futures reversed the buy on the 30 right here. And then you got this beautiful long 30.28, and they pushed up right here. Look at this. 30.28, 30.30 on the NASDAQ. Boy, oh boy, I can't wait for one day they're going to crash. Oof. Jennifer's in the house. That's right, everybody. Jennifer's here. She's waving. All right. NASDAQ just dropped about 20 just now here. Look at this long. 30.28, and they pushed up 72 and another, what, 4, so about 76 points. I can't even say the word buy. That's exactly. You guys are stealing my lines. All right. Micron's 914. Micron up 21% today. How's that? Okay, 21%. All right, Micron up 21%. All right, anybody new here tonight? Papa Del Journey, how are you? Tina, Bear Trader, the bear's in hibernation. Oh, I know. Kenny, how are you from Delaware? How are you, everybody? Oh, gold up 16 here now. Gold. I don't know what the hell happened. Gold, gold rolled. Isn't it funny? Isn't it funny, really, to be honest with you, right? Look at the gold. Why is it every time there's a roll, it's always to the upside, right? Look at this. Why is there a roll on the gold to the upside? Everything's always to the upside, right? If you see the gap, okay? I don't know if, mine has a gap. 45.28 on my other one. 45. Where is it? It's right here. Okay? Why is there always a roll to the upside all the time? Humbler Trader, I'm in Jupiter, Florida. Good job, James Dean. Great job. And if you're new, you can please text me your full name and email. I will send you a 5-day free trial. You're in a short now on the gold. Be careful. Okay, be careful. Let's see what the market's going to do here. Always a roll. And they're off at Belmont. They're at NASDAQ. I was short this NASDAQ here. 05 to 35.40. And just hit it and dropped. Boom. Wonderful. All right. NASDAQ just got kabooshed. Okay. Happened so fast. Let's put the NASDAQ back up here. This is the 8th wonder of the world. The most fugazi market. The most fugazi market. You see here the 5 just traded up to 05 3/4 here. You see this? If you're short, just look to cover below 90 to even here. Hey, My Way Trading, how are you? We got a big night in store here tonight for the giveaways. You guys ready for the giveaways? Gold just ran 4. Be careful, you got big buying pressure. This gold can get one more push up here. Okay, Micron hit 1 trillion market cap today. Sure, the billion, the trillion club. The trillion club. The trillion club. Be careful with that gold. Be careful. All right. Let's see here. They gap up tomorrow. Gold just ran 8 on that oversold condition on the 5. What happened, Henny? Jesus. All right. Be careful with that gold short. Do you think we'll see a caboose in my lifetime? Unbelievable. Let's see here. Hey, Najee, how are you? How are you, Najee? All right. Nasdaq's dropping. S&Ps. Nasdaq, I would look to cover between 90 and even here if you're short the Nasdaq. Anybody new here? Anybody new? Mr. 21 is M dot here. M dot here. Is M dot here. No M dot. Humbler Trader, how are you? Humbler Trader. Micron 925. I love it. Let me plug in my. Ay. All right. Humbler Trader, if you're new, you can text me, Humbler. Okay. People talk. That's the top. People on Twitter are talking about how AI might prevent the Nasdaq from ever going into a bear market again. Oh, I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. Wait till you get an RSI at above 80, 85. They'll drop 5,000 points. Watch. Watch. These amateurs. Hey, Youssef, how are you? All right. If we get one more push up here, I hear Micron's trading 925. Um, I would just keep scaling shorts on the new highs. Yes. The Nasdaq gets up to the 07 to 37. I would look to scalp the short. Absolutely. Right. Look to scalp the short. Gold really has been quiet. Silver, actually, you can go 05 on the gold on the Nasdaq. What was the high here? 05 again. Maybe go 05 to like 35, 40 to scalp the short. All right. Oof. Very, very quiet here. Hey, Rab boys, how are you? Micron, I hear Micron right now. EQQs are up 312%. That's insane. 312% in 12 months. EQQQ, right. Beautiful. All right. Hey, JC Trades, how are you? 80 Scalper, Rav Boys, what's going on? UBS pumping Micron, of course. But where were they? Where were they? Where were they when Micron was 311? Anybody can tell me? Visual Trades, how are you? I would just cover some Nasdaq below 05 and a half, 05 here. This trade. I'm hearing Micron's about 945 right now. All right, there goes the S&Ps. I mean, the Nasdaq dropping on the scalp short. Jimmy, Papa Delt. Andrew, where have you been? I can't believe the Knicks won 8 in a row. Can you believe it? The Knicks won 8 in a row. That's insane. The Knicks won 8 and oh my god, I forgot Henny's chicken. You think it's still good, Jennifer? Since two. How'd you lose $1,900? We didn't do anything. How'd you lose 1,900? You just lost 19. What are you doing, Buy Moose? What are you doing? Short the world. Oh my god! I short the Nasdaq here, 12 up to 32 range, 32.42 range. I would just keep scalping shorts here. 15. That was my first number. 15. I mean, where are they going here? Well, you own like one at 40, but I'm sure you sold it at 41 or 42. All right. Chicken should be just fine. It's been here since 12 o'clock, though. Is it still good? Oh my god. I'd be up $50 on SanDisk. 50. Oh my god. Oh my god. That'd be 35,000 a Micron. $7,000. Today was a day from hell. Nasdaq, if you're short, look to cover below 08 to scalp the shorts. What a day from hell. Today was a day from hell. I tell you, up big money, gave it back, and then lost a little. Oh, so pissed. And then I wanted to go out long buying Micron and SanDisk on the bell. Just buy, buy, buy. You want to they're buying, then sell, sell, sell. Remember Rodney Dangerfield from Caddyshack? Nasdaq. I think Nasdaq's going to 30,200. Then I think you got to re-examine this thing. This thing is up 3,000 points. Let's see here. Can't turn back time. Don't ever. That's you sold it for a $5 loss. Oh my God. That's painful. Yep. Micron's got a $1 trillion market cap. All right. The sovereign bond crisis? No. Okay. All right. All right. Okay. Oh, it's straight up manipulation. All right. NASDAQ just got kabooshed. Just dropped about 12. All right. Micron 945. Oh my God. Bye, Moose. Can you please text me 914-500-7484? I will call you after the stream. Okay? All right. So great to be here. We're working on this big Vegas project. Hopefully, God willing, this is going to go really well. Looking forward. Thank you, David, for posting that. All right. Don't talk about it. Oof. All right. Let's just see if we get a little bit of a drop here. Gold's doing absolutely nothing. Gold rolled to the Q. What is Q? August? What is Q?
Yeah,
Oh, huh?
August. Yeah.
Yeah, Q is August. Everybody, welcome. Kama Dorsey, how are you? We're looking to put together a an event in well, Nasdaq just. Are you short, Levi? What?
No, I'm not on.
What are you doing?
Um,
Okay, that was a good short up there. Okay. Nasdaq just dropped about 12. Hello, hello, hello. The thing is, what's going to make him drop, though? That's the problem.
just
Oh, you're too. Yeah, but you got to wait for at least wait for the 3-minute time frame to get oversold. You're still elevated, right? 8Xs are rising, right? On the fives. My fund the futures again. 1 whole year. Denny and I have been here. Wow, amazing. Okay. Very excited. There you go. There they go. That's why I told you not to buy them, right? Look at the NASDAQ.
Yeah.
Just dropped 20. See? You got to be patient, Levi, right? You got to be patient. Look at him. Look at him. 20 down. 20 down.
Can we buy them now?
Not yet. Something just came out. Are you crazy? That's 30 down on the NASDAQ short. Now you could probably buy them like 84. 54 to 84 if they get down there. What a short. My bear. Love my bear. I love my bear. Iceman's in the house. Iceman, get in there. Oh my God, just look at this. 83 to 96. Bank of Japan government making comments. All right, I would cancel the buy. All right. Bear Trader, get in there. Vlad, how are you, Vlad? James Dean. Oh. It's Christmas in May. Eco, I like that name. EKKO, Eco. How are you? Tyler Trades, what's going on, brother? Puff Pat. Hey, Big Sparks. I like that name. Big Sparks. Nice to meet you. Big Sparks. All right, let's see what's going to happen here. Thank you, David. All right, NASDAQ. That's why I said it was short up there, right?
Yep.
Okay, so basically what I was trying to tell you is when the 5-minute time frame reverses to buy, you take the short, then you look for the pullback to go long. Pullback happened down to 83. I thought it was going to go a little lower. Hi, Karina. How are you, Karina? What happened? I bought the call on Amazon today. It was up $30 on the daily. Made on a call. Amazon was down on the day. Iceman. And how about Raphael, man? Raphael, right, comes to visit me. I believe he's up over $50,000 in 2 weeks. Is that amazing? That's what I love this game. I love it, love it, love it. All right. Take a scalp long here. 52.5 to 82.5 on the NASDAQ. Unbelievable. What a drop. 15 down to 80. 35 points. Hey, Augusto, how are you? Iceman, I don't even know what you're talking about. Now, this is the first, you get the long?
Mm-hmm.
All right, here comes the NASDAQ. S&Ps just dropped about 4 or 5 off the highs. Hey, Chart Monk, what's going on? Linda NQ, G Peralta. These are all names from the past. There we go. Let's see if you get one more push up on this. What a short. So you're making new highs here, and the MACDs could not confirm on the 15, and the MACDs could not confirm on the 60. Where's it? Was it the 60 or the 30? Which one was it? The 30s, right here. This is a monster bear flag. Here's the bull flag followed by a bear flag. What's the symbol for the South Korean? EWY, is it? Oh my God. Gotta be kidding me. Up 11%. Sanity. This is insane. This market's gone completely bonkers. This Korea activates sidecar after the whole program buying for 5 minutes after Kospi 200 futures rose 5%. We got the highest debt, 39 trillion, and we got companies making $1 trillion valuations. No, I have not, Chris. In my 44 years, come this August 1st, I've never seen anything like this. I have not. 67. Boom. Everything happened on. If you look back, April 19th is when everything rallied. If you look here, the deep oversold condition on the daily. Okay, if you look here on EWJ, you can see this thing ran from what? 67 now up to, it's going to be another 5%, another $10 up. Micron, look at Micron. Micron was in the low 600s right here, 652. First pullback on the, oh, look at that beautiful bull flag. Now it's trading 945, and UBS is saying 1600. I'd like to know where these guys were when the stock was trading 311. I've never seen anything like this. Take for keeps. NASDAQ, if you got up to 91, you should have been able to short some. Sell some at least. Let's see if we get one type of a bounce here. Are you crazy?
Crazy.
Who's buying them up here? Right? This Micron's a beast. What happened, Henny? All right. What a short up there. I'd like to know what the RSI is. If the RSIs ever get to 85, 90, this market's going to crash. I don't think the NASDAQ's ever been at a 90 RSI on the daily. Gold's going to get a nice pullback on the 15s here. What a caboose. Whoever bought the 30,000 115s, he jumped. He jumped.
Nope, it's never had a 90 RSI.
Never had it on 90, right?
Nope.
Right. Where's the RSI now on a daily? I don't think it's even had an 85 RSI. But if it gets there, I think that's going to be the ultimate top. It did?
Yep.
So, and what happened after it hit 85 RSI? QQQ daily RSI still at 76? 77? The most ever.
Current cycle.
Right, and if you look at if you look at what did it do prior to an 85 RSI, you watch the drop that it had. What a short. Jesus.
It was on-
Of when?
looks like-
No,
Can't be right.
not this year.
Can't be.
Can't be right. No.
Says the NASDAQ Thursday, the 4th, most overbought level.
Nasdaq, I'd be scaling out of longs here, 78.5, 79, up to 82, 83. You should maybe get another, maybe a little bit more of a push up. No, it can't be. That can't be right. Who's buying up here, right? Rouse play? I have no idea. Well, that makes no sense to me.
It was 15.
If it's, well, it's got to be the number one now. How many points above the moving average now? It's got to be, if you look here, you're 196 points above the 10 bar. And if you look at the weekly, you can see the weekly, you're 3,000, well, over 3,600 points above. That's Micron. Let's look at the Qs. Qs are 78 above. 555. Wow. There they go. There they go. On the double blue. Beautiful long on the NASDAQ. Out, 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 out.
Awesome.
There it is. Where's the bull? Where's the bull? Where's the bull? There you go. Wow. Wow. Unbelievable. There goes the bull. Hey, Smileaways. What's up? Kyle, what's up? Shimya. Sell, sell, sell. No, buy, buy. That's called a double blue buy. So you take the short. NASDAQ got down to 71. Just ripped 29. Look at this. Just buy everything. Right? This NASDAQ better drop.
120, 122.25 is the high of the day.
Did you get that long? That's what I asked you. Did you get?
I got the short one.
Why didn't you call the long? Why'd you get the long? Stop looking up stuff on ChatGPT. The trade. NASDAQ just ran 30. S&P just ran 5 on the double. What news? No news. Good
Thank
job,
you.
Jennifer.
Well,
Get in
thank
there.
you. Thank you for the trick.
How would you make?
Oh,
All right.
Small size.
In the real money.
Yeah.
Yeah, all right.
yeah, I'm already up.
Jennifer's up 350. We won the war.
That's right.
We won the war. I heard President Trump traded 3,700 times in the month of May already. He just sits at his desk all day long and just says, buy him. He makes Nancy Pelosi look like a chipmunk. All right, if this gold gets down to the 41.5, 48.5, I would look to take a long. So you take the short, and then you wait for the pullback on the double blue, and you buy them. And then look at this beautiful. This is a Picasso. Right. Trump was talking about, you don't think they loaded up on Micron? Are you crazy? They probably bought about 50,000 calls. The 900 calls. They probably bought 100,000 of the 890s, 150,000 of the 860s. Are you crazy? Look at this. Look at this. Look at this, Mike. Look at this. Beautiful bull flag. Now you're setting up a bear flag. Right? That's what I heard. Yeah. I did. I killed it and then I gave it back, which I'm very upset about. First time in a long time. Look at them go. Oh, you got to short them. I'd short them here 17, 15, 17 up to 47 on the NASDAQ. Boom. 45 on the NAT, 45, 45.5 to 52.5 on the S&P. Gold just ran 4. Are you crazy? I was up big money today. Ugh. Then I went crazy on Micron and I went crazy on AMD. I'll get them. Don't you worry about. There you go. See, you fade the pop. Who faded the pop? Look at this. Down 12. You got that?
Yep, got that short.
Good job. Fade the pop.
I'm just listening to him.
Fade the pop. Fade the pop. Faded. Exactly. Good job reading Livermore. Reading Livermore. Good job, Brinks. Good job, Baba. All right. What a long. You see that? You see how the double blue worked, Levi? You see here, right?
Yeah, I'm looking at it.
The 5 reverses to buy. You could take the scalp shorts 1, 2, right? Now you're making new highs, which means that the MACDs could not confirm.
Right.
Okay.
Yeah.
So then what you do is you wait for a nice pullback, right? I said look to buy what 52 to 82, got down to 71, and then once that 5 got oversold, boink, right back up, right? That's a Picasso, right? Tom Forex. That's a beautiful double blue, right, Shimya? Okay, John Wick, 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's put them in order. John Wick, 1, 2, 3, 4. I think 4 is the best. I love 4. I love 4. Killed my dog. Karosi, how are you? How are you? How are you? All right. Let's see if this thing's going to 30,200. I hope not tonight, though. But what a monster bull flag right here. Oh, my God. If this thing gets up to the 18 to 48 range, I'd short it again. What did we do here? We're short by Moose. Right? What a long, beautiful long. Beautiful.
Boomed.
Yep. Yep. It's going to kaboom. You just playing wide. When you short the Nasdaq, you got to go 10. 1 and 4. I think 1 and 4. I agree. Nasdaq, you could look to cover anywhere between the 19.5 down to like 13.5, 14. Gold just ran 5 on that. ADX is a rising. No wick candle. I have no idea what that means. No wick. So you have to be very careful when you leave orders in the machine, right? Nasdaq's going to start dropping here. S&P's just dropped too. All right, we're going to do the raffle tonight. So when Denny posts, make sure you guys sign up, okay? You too? Yeah, it's fair game. I don't know your numbers. I bought a 260 call. I got out of 2. Oh, got it. Oh, good jobs. Now I got you. Now I got you. Mo to the dough. What's going on? Unbelievable. 50 points on the rally right here. 50 points on that long. 50 points. EKKO, you're from Denmark? I always wanted to, here we go. NASDAQ dropping, just dropped 8. NASDAQ dropping here. NASDAQ just dropped 14, 15. Oh, what a short. Scalping shorts. Yes. 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 Nice little short there. All right. So NASDAQ took the one short, the long, the second short, good. S&P, same thing, got the long, and then the short, 46, just dropped 3. NASDAQ, completely insane. Look at this. NASDAQ pumped up to 25, just dropped, here we go, 15. Hello, Matru Agucha, how are you? I can't even say these names. You gotta change your name. Just make it Matt. No, I'm only kidding. Anybody short the NASDAQ here? That's beautiful. This NASDAQ, when these 30 and 60s roll over, oh my God, what a drop. Oh my God, kabooshed. Kabooshed. What a day. You guys aren't up between $300 and $500 today just on the NASDAQ. I'm going to go kill myself. Right? There you go, Izzy Lizzy. Right? ES Futures. What a short. Oh my God, down 30. So look at the short here. Here's 1. The long here is 50. And now you got another 30 on the downside. Oof. Oof. Gonna be 100. This NASDAQ, I want this NASDAQ to drop 100. They're already printing the 30,000 NASDAQ hat. I have the original 10,000 Dow hat from 20 years ago. Dow 10,000. Can you believe it? They didn't post a link yet. You got the short at 24.5? Good job, Patrick. I had the 50K hat somewhere. I got it right here. Hold on. I have a 50K hat. Yeah, it's right here. Oh. I got the Dow 50K hat right here. Here you go. There you go. See this? The Dow 50K hat right there. You guys see it? Make it bigger. Dow 50K. There you go. You're on the gold queue, correct. Oh, you got to see my Christmas ornaments. The bull, the bear, the bull, the bear, kaboom and kaboosh. The Christmas ornaments are going to be 3 inches. Oh my God, they're unbelievable. I think I'll be sold out. How was my weekend, Jesus? Quiet. The link was already posted and gone by now? It was? The link was posted? I didn't see the link posted. Scroll up. Oh, the link was there. It's over. Jesus. That was fast. The Dow in my lifetime, I hope to be around here another 20 more years. Probably 65,000. How about the Caboose t-shirt? Wait till you see the Caboose t-shirt. Look at this Caboose t-shirt. Look at this. You got the My Funded Futures logo. You got the SK Trading. And look at that. Is this an unbelievable t-shirt? Now I'm going to do something in the back. And it's going to say short the world with a ladder. And they got the Kaboom coming. The Kaboosh coming. Where's JD? That's unbelievable. And if anybody would like a 5-day free trial to my live stream, please text me. I think the link is gone. If anybody would like a 5-day free trial, can you imagine giving a racehorse named Kaboom? Oh my God.
Great point.
That's a great name. It's too late now. Is it still? Oh, works? No, you got to go My Funded Futures. Kaboosh is not spelled Kabush. Please spell it right. I got it one. Kaboosh is Kabooshhed. Oh my God, right back up. NASDAQ gets up to the 25 to 50, 45, 55 range. What happened with My Funded Futures just came out? Something just came out here. What happened? $5.25. You're unable to enter the name once. You'll be banned from the giveaways for 3 months. So please don't find. Okay. There's a link. Okay. Thank you. Yeah, you guys, if anybody puts their name in more than once, you're on double secret probation and you're gonna get banned for 3 months. Period. Okay? Mike Ryan, 950. Hit the buffer. Hey, Bob. Hey, Bob Sam. Yes, sir. You're looking to short him at 25, though, if it gets up there. Okay. Does the market? Yeah, slot girl. Yeah, market slows down. Mike Ron, 950. Oh my God. If you wanna, it's Albano. What country you live in? If you're in the United States, we're gonna try to give them to people for free. Nasdaq just hit 29. Look at this Nasdaq. Look to cover below 24. Just scalp it. Nasdaq just dropped 7. Kaboosh.
Nice one.
That's a little scalp. $7, $8, 7, 8 points. All right. Gold just rallied about 5 on the gold. This gold's going to go. All right, here's the link again for my fund of futures. If you guys want, I'll text you. Better text me. Okay. You have a U.S. address? Okay. Well, I got to wait for my fund of futures. Let me see where JD is. Nasdaq pushes up here again. That's shorted again here. 27.5 up to the 47, 57.5 range. All right. All right. Hey, Steph Mayo, how are you? I absolutely think adding more monitors will help. You can see the 30-minute, the 50, the 30, the 60-minute time frames. I do. Nasdaq, look at this. Unbelievable Nasdaq. Absolutely relentless on the Nasdaq. Look at this Nasdaq. Oh, 37. All right, this thing drops. So you can look to cover here. Let's see if this thing can break 30. Unbelievable. Look at this rally from 71. Oof. The short, then the drop. See if this thing can drop here. Look to cover anywhere between the 25.5 and 30.5 range if you're short. Here we go.
Oh,
Just
that's
drop.
so cute.
Just drop 10 off the high. What number are you texting me? 914-500-7484. I got the phone in my hand. I don't remember a text from you. If you text me, I'll reply. Oh my God, Micron 972. Oh my God. I was gonna go long 1,000 shares at 893. Oh my God. 80 grand. There goes the NASDAQ just dropped. I will call you, but I don't remember getting anything from you trading. Oh my God. Look at the NASDAQ drop. There you go. 600 for the night, Patrick. Patrick, if you want to just text me so I can at least send it to you, please text me 914-500-7484. Oh. Anybody get that short on the NASDAQ? Teachable. Great job, Teachable. Oh, 511 to 506. All right, we'll get them. NASDAQ just got kaboosh 20. Right, Eddie? Wow. Tina, you got it, Tina? 914-500-7484. Exactly. All right. Oh, baby. NASDAQ. There you go. There you go, NASDAQ. I hope you guys signed up for the registration. Oh my God, look at the NASDAQ down 30. This is some short, long, short, missed. I didn't take the long and short. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 trades. Got to be up over 100 points on the NASDAQ. Right? Got to be up over 100. It's not even an hour yet. Not even 9 o'clock yet. Jogmeister, how are you? David Lane. Epic Gamer, I'm not going to go over every little detail, okay, right now. Okay, if you want to join, you want a 5-day freeze trial, I'll explain it to you during the Discord. And trading, did you just text me? Let me see. I'm sick to my stomach. Sick to my stomach. I was going to go home long. A stupid 1,000 shares of SanDisk. 500 SanDisk, 1,000 Micron, and a 2,000 AMD. Jesus. You can sell an 800 put in Micron for $5,000. Yeah, but if you sell, you're down 16,000. So that's insane. So if you sell one put, an 800 put, and the stock's 975 or 1,000, you're losing 20,000 to make 5,000? Hell no. Oh wait, unless the stock drops 100 points. I don't know. Who knows? They're crazy, right? They're completely insane. You got to sign up on the My Fund the Futures TV. 914-500-7484. Where do these crazy numbers come from? 914-500-7484. Hey. Yeah, below 48.5. Boom! Oh my God! It just
Whoops.
boom, boom.
It hurt us talking.
Gold just kaboomed. You just got to go to YouTube, My Funded Futures TV. Oh, it all starting to drop. How about those freaking unbelievable USOs were trading 163. Singles and doubles, baby. Singles and doubles. Anybody new here? Anybody new with like a 5-day free trial? Please text me your full name and email, and I'll send you the. Okay. You just text it to my phone number. So somebody posted that the TQQQs are up 312% in 12 months. Is that insane? 300. Oh my God! If I was long that 1,000 micron, are you kidding me? Up 70,000 on 1,000 micron, and then I'm scared to even ask where SanDisk is trading. These are people. No, I'm looking at scalp shorts. No, I'm not looking to go long. These are Jennifer is from the state of Washington, and Levi is from the great country of Thailand. Okay. If anybody wants to come and spend a week, text me. I get everybody blowing up my phone here. I will return every one of the calls and texts. I'd buy this gold.
Mm-hmm.
Well, I'd probably wait a little lower here. Let me see. 1, 2. Yeah. I would look to buy gold 1.5, 6, 7.5, or 40.5. You live in the Ozark Mountain? Papa Jimmy Papa. There he goes. He lives in the Ozark. Whoa, boom! On the gold. Jesus.
Yummy, yummy.
All right. NASDAQ. I'm looking to short NASDAQ. Okay. I'm not looking at silver. No way. They killed my silver.
Old friend.
My old friend. I apologize for. Oh my God! How much you up tonight, Levi? You're better off standing. Boom, 800. Good night there, Patrick. Patrick, you should text me. Craziest wake up call ever from SK. You gotta see my Christmas ornaments. You guys are gonna go banana. I think they're gonna be sold out already. I think I ordered like 5 or 10,000. They're gone. They're gone. Wait till you see this, the Kaboom and the Kaboosh Christmas ornaments. It's going to be a blast. Yeah, but it's going to make a lower high. You could look to buy gold anywhere from 41 to 47. You already shorted what? Get ready. ARC sector is so bullish. Baby goat, where have you been? AR. Stock's not doing anything. We have Dell's earnings coming out soon, right? When's Dell? I think
tomorrow.
Tomorrow?
That's what
Tomorrow?
Wednesday.
Papa Trump, right? Papa Trump. Michael Dell gives $2 billion to Papa Trump to help him with paying, the little funds. And what does Papa Trump do? Puts about $4 billion in his pocket on paper. Not bad. There goes the gold, right? Papa Trump. Oh, I agree, K-Son. Debo, great job, Debo. Oil just got kabooshed. Of course. Of course. That was the easiest trade in the world. Oil 117, 120. Probably tax free. Fast trader, just text me 914-500-7484. We have to you guys should be following me on social media, right? At official Stephen Kalayjian on Instagram, TikTok, X, and Instagram. And LinkedIn, sorry. Okay. 15-minute bull flag setting up here on gold. All right. Let's see if this NASDAQ can get one more push up here. So gold anywhere between the 40 and 46.5 range. Where's this NASDAQ? Been dead on this NASDAQ today. Hopefully this NASDAQ can drop. This is a monster bear flag right here. So let's just see. This is the high here, 37, 38, 37. Then got kaboosh 30. Debo, great job, Debo. Patrick, great job. Gave the range for the gold like 3 times. I know it's going to be quiet. Make sure you guys sign up for the link, right? For the trial, right? We're going to do the numbers game. I love the there goes the gold. There you go. There you go. It's gonna make a lower high here. Nasdaq gets up to the 35 to 55, 65 range. I look to scalp to short again. No, Nasdaq
Yeah.
35 to
Oh,
55. I apologize. Years that I left since you left. Look at this. Unbelievable. Oh, there you go. There you go. 35 to 55, 65 on the scalp short on the Nasdaq, 38, S&Ps 47 and a half, 47 up to 54, 53, 54. Gold just ran $3 off the bull flag on the 15. Micron's dumping. It was just 70. Where's Micron? It was 477. Please let it stay up there so I can short the hell out of it tomorrow. Where's Micron? Where's Micron? Anybody can help me where Micron is, please? Nasdaq, look to cover any shorts between the 25 and 35 range. 895. It just dropped. Oh, come on! $944. It just dropped 30. I just said to the good Lord, please let this stay up above 977 so I can short the hell out of it tomorrow. Exactly. Nasdaq dropping, S&P's dropping, gold rallying. You see 946. It just dropped $30 then. Oh, glasses get all fogged up with this Micron. Oh. Got to scalp at 930. You're long at 950. You guys are crazy. I'm looking to short it. You're looking to buy it. Like, long what? Micron? Nasdaq got shorted again here. 40 up to like 70 range on the Nasdaq. I would go when you short the Nasdaq or long, you got to go every 10 points. You sold it too soon? I think so did half the world. That daily at 519. 519 is when the whole world pulled in on the daily after the weekly reverse to buy. Look at the gold, Jennifer.
Yep.
That's a pattern off the 15.
Yeah, so you get more mileage.
Yeah, well, you just don't scalp it for like $3.
Right.
If you can look back. Next, I hope you're feeling better. All right. Cover any shorts here on the Nasdaq between the 30 and 45 range. If this thing can drop. Nasdaq wants to go to 30,200, but I think you got to pull back first. Look at the 90 overbought reading on the 30s. Oh. So gold really is in 450. I mean, but it is on the August contract. Gold went out like 4503 or something like that. Nope, Nick, sorry. Ian, what's up, Ian? Uncle Steve says hello, Ian. Is Ian up? Where's Ian? Nasdaq needs to drop below 40. All right, then you got to stop. I would stop. Nasdaq, good, get in there, Jennifer. Good job. All right, 30 some more minutes, almost 40 minutes until the raffle. Hope you all signed up. Nasdaq's been absolutely crazy tonight. Ugh. About swing trading? Swing trading what? ETFs, stocks, what? Options? It just doesn't stop. Nasdaq, right? Look at this. New all-time highs. What was CNBC like today with the Nasdaq 30,000 when they all jumping down up and down like I'm done shorting the market, dumb? Oh, I disagree with you on that. I think we had phenomenal patterns here. 7720 on the S&P. So you're going to tell me you're going to hold the long the whole time? You're really going to tell me you're going to hold the long the entire time? Are you crazy? Really? Why don't you just give me the numbers from last week's Powerball, or actually for this week's Powerball, to make it simpler? How could you say something like that? Are you crazy? Five minutes not closed below. Where were you on this long here? Boom. You can take scalp shorts here. 1, 2, 3. Okay, they all worked. So, and you don't have to take a scalp short if you don't want to. Is China invited Taiwan? Nasdaq, here we go. Here we go. I would cover below 40 on the Nasdaq. Okay, here we go. Here we go. So you're telling me you can't make 10 to 15, 20 points scalping the short on the Nasdaq? Plain stupid. That's the difference between being a great scalper, a great trader, okay, in an uptrend, all right, than just sitting there and looking to buy them. And then you know what you're going to do? Oh, they're going to bounce. They're going to bounce. They're going to bounce. They're going to bounce. Okay? And then you get run over, all right, because you think they're going to bounce. Because you don't know what you're doing if you're getting your ass handed to you. Okay? One guy made 1,000, one person made 2,000. Okay? I'm on a 5-second chart. What are you, crazy? All right, this guy's got to go. I'm not dealing with him. 44 years of experience, and I got to deal with this. Okay, so what are you scaling in? Every $2 on the NASDAQ? I just told you when you scale in on the NASDAQ, it's different than trading the S&Ps. Put them in the bathroom. You have to go wide every 10 points. Oh my God, let's just ban him. I'm not dealing with him. Even Henny's upset. Why don't we use a 3-second? Put him in the bathroom. Right? You get your ass handed to you, you don't know what you're doing. Right? You don't know what you're doing. I'm trying to help you, and you right? Have Henny eat him, right, Henny? You want to eat somebody tonight? Daddy loves you. My boy. A 3-second chart. Did it even make a 3-second chart? I don't even know. Let me just look here. It's a 15-second chart. Oh, I'm scared. What did I just do that for? It's gonna. Get in there, Brinks. How about a 1-minute chart? Nice bull flag on the 1-minute. You short him again up here on the scalp, 58 up to 78, 88 range. Walk the plank. Dave, a 1-minute might be good for you. 59. Oh, they killed. What about poor Silver? Let's look at Silver, what they did to my poor Silver. Look what they did to my poor Silver. They absolutely killed it. Poor Silver. No movement in Silver.
Nope.
I mean, what a joke what they did. It ruined the game. Or you could have bought 33s. It was some action, 30 cents. Silver was mine. Silver. NASDAQ, if you sold 58s.
More than that.
NASDAQ, if you sold 58s, look to cover below 51, 51 and a half. Yep, they had them in. So, Stewie, where do you think we go, Stewie? You were bearish. And what do you think? NASDAQ just dropped 10. Where's this guy? Where's this guy? You think 740, 745? NASDAQ 30,400? And then what? They don't crash? They got to crash sooner or later. They got to crash. Gold just dropped 5. That's a little short on the gold. If China invaded Taiwan, the Nasdaq would be down 10,000 points, hands down. I wouldn't be surprised. I mean, I'm just thinking out loud. Maybe Trump says, "Hey, right? I'm just thinking. You end the war in Russia, you end the war in Iran. You give me everything I need. You could have Taiwan, right? Can you imagine that? You don't know. Why? We get nothing out of Russia ending the war. What do we get with then? And
No, we get a lot out of our.
Well, if he says you got to also buy our oil for the next 50 years,
That would be part of that.
yeah, but the Chinese always lie anyway, right? That's what they always say. I mean, they always say that they didn't honor the soybeans agreement. They didn't honor
They honor
Yeah, well, I'm just saying. So it might be very hard. You know, it might be very hard, but that's the only thing that could probably get the market to really get cabooshed if China goes in. Now, the other thing that could happen is that Xi also said, "Don't sell the $14 billion worth of arms to Taiwan." Right? And Papa Trump came out a couple of days ago and said he's selling the 14 billion. So that's going to be pretty fun. Yeah, but I'm just saying.
Yeah.
Oh, he says he's delaying the 14 billion now? Yeah. Because he wants Xi to come to Washington. Of course he's appeasing China. Of course. What's going to happen if they win the war? They sell off or they rally? I can't see Dell earnings being. I can't see Dell's earnings being beat. Look at this thing. 244. Yeah. No, now it's 309. STX up 39. Look at this, up 200 points. Gonna gap up. You got big bull flags here. Gate. It's not letting you, but it's not letting me guess its bit for futures. What? I think it's only Warbucks is only for Bitcoin futures, correct? I trade Bitcoin futures. Bob Sam, can you text me please after the 914-500-7484? Bob Sam. Alis, how are you, Alis? Derek, nice to meet you. Dan, this is 1650. Oh, it's gonna be another more fun. Bob Sam, can you text me 914-500-7484, please? I'll call you after here. NASDAQ, I was short him again, 55 up to 85. All right. NASDAQ should drop here. NASDAQ's flying like an eagle. I think NASDAQ could drop 100 here. Sure, why not? All right, so many people blowing up my phone. NASDAQ, I would cover shorts below 48. Low, I would lower you. There you go. There you see, you got short every rally.
Mm-hmm.
Oh my God, Micron 977. All right,
So we got.
gonna drop more than that. Now,
Oh yeah, there it goes now.
now it's gonna get kabooshed. Data in 1 minute. You're reversing your position to what? Um, gold just dropped there on that bear. If this gold drops down to the 40 to 46 and a half, I would take another long here. Nasdaq should start rolling over here on the 15 and 30-minute time frames. The 60s are a 91, the 30s are a 90, the 15 should start rolling over. Here goes the Nasdaq. I would just keep lowering your stops here. Well, then if Sanders, because if Micron's going to do a 5-for-1 stock split, then what the hell is Sanders going to do? Get in there, Ian. There you go, GQ. There you go. Thoughts on SpaceX IPO? Who knows? Mario, where's MU now, Mario? Look at the NASDAQ drop. 18 on the NASDAQ. What's a large net loss? Bad night for me? How could it be a bad night? What are you doing? We didn't have a losing idea. All right, NASDAQ just dropped 18. Sam Bondi is now part of the AI board with zero background in tech. I love it. 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 NASDAQ just dropped 20. I hope you guys were scaling in on all the new high shorts. Beautiful. Beautiful. Now let's drop 150. Top signs everywhere. Oh, yeah. Get one more push up here. I still think these 15 and 30-minute time frames are going to start rolling over. So the stock's going right into the S&P 500. That'll push it over 8,000. SPX has gone up 10%. Earnings growth, this has went up 14.4. That's a contradiction of 4. The market's trying to catch up to fundamentals. Probably. All right. Yes, sir. There they go. One more time. Oh my God, we got it. Oh my God, I love this. Look at the water bottle. Yeah, baby.
Good one.
That's about it. NASDAQ. Gold, if this gold drops to the 39.5, 45.5 range, I would take or 39 to 45. Market's trying to catch up the fundamentals. Yes. I just said it. What a short on the gold. Gold setting up a monster bull flag on the 30-minute time frame. Gold. See here. I'm gonna get one more push up here on the NASDAQ. Low here. 38. Just ran 7. Gold should get one more push up here. Fundamentals. Oof. All right, 10 minutes before the raffle. Why? What do you do, serial trader? Nasdaq's gonna go. Here goes the gold. Look to sell 45 up to 48. Nasdaq just ran 12. Here we go. On this pullback here. Oh, I just made it this small. Gold should get at least another 50 cents to $2 here. Actually looking for shorts? Yeah, why not? Especially here? ASML? I don't know. I don't even know ASML. Let me look. I don't know. It's All the longs. 519 was the long. Look at this. 1440. Look at this ASML. Oh my God. Everything. 522. In 3 days, in what's today's date? The 26th. In 1, 2, 3, 4 days, ASML went from 1441. Look at this. $212 in 5 days. Right? The QQQs went from 695. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay? $36 in 5 days. $36. Nasdaq's going to drop. ASML, I have no opinion on ASML. Okay. This gold dropped nicely, about 10.
Mm-hmm.
And a nice bull flag setting up. I still take a long here on the gold. 36 to 42 range. This 30-minute, look at the Nasdaq get kabooshed. Nasdaq getting kabooshed. Got maybe one more push up here. Nasdaq, you can look maybe anywhere from the 18 to 38 range. Gold should rally one more time. Got to put your kids to sleep? Okay, just. Yeah, you got the end of the month coming up too. That's another good one. My Henny. Out? Really, Henny? Okay, right? Days with me? You think I'll be during the day? Knock the whole office over. All right, we're going to do the raffle in 4 minutes. All right, good luck, everybody. Hope you guys, well, everybody, obviously, it's too late to sign up. And again, if anybody new here, I will be calling you back. So please, I will call you back. All right. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Bob, Sam, I hope you texted me. Nasdaq's 30 off the highs. Should get maybe one more push up here. Just get out any longs here between 34 and 38. Any push up should make a lower high. The MACDs are negative. Gold should get one more push up here. Nasdaq up. NQ. Let's see. What a short. Any push-up should make a lower high. See this negative MACD here? So if you do get a push-up here, make a lower high. Anybody know where Tesla's trading post-market Tesla? Gold 40 and a half, 41, 40 and a half, 41 up to 43, 44. Anybody know where Tesla's trading? Susa Bear, anybody? Goes to NASDAQ. Here we go. Here we go. Now you see the NASDAQ? The NASDAQ, there you go, out at 38. I'd be flat. 39, out. I'd be flat. 40, out. On the long. 434, thank you. Thank you, Robert. Thank you. All right. Let's get the raffle going. Denny, how many people we have tonight? Jennifer, you ready, Jennifer?
I'm ready.
Jennifer is ready, and Jennifer is in the house. 451, Denny said. Are you guys ready? 1 minute to go for the raffle. There goes the gold rallying. NASDAQ, I'd be flat. Okay. We have 451 people tonight. Are you ready? Are you ready, everybody? Good luck. And number 43, Richard Petty's number. Number 43, Richard Petty number. Zenith Futures. Zenith Futures. Zenith Futures. Are you here, Zenith Futures? Here, Jennifer? Not yet. Oh, Zenith. Gotta give him a chance. Zenith Futures. There goes the gold. Oh, Zenith. Oh, Zenith. No Zenith Futures? All right, then I'm just gonna go up. Next, is he here? Then I'm gonna go up one. Number 44, Kim Capital. I'll go up one. Kim Capital. That's the only way to do it. It's fair.
Okay.
Kim Capital. Is Kim Capital here?
Yes. Kim Capital.
That's one.
Yes.
All right. Number 13. Number 13. Number 13 is, oh my God, Alias 13. ALIS 13. ALIS 13. Number 13. ALIS 13. ALIS, are you here? Come in, Manila. ALIS. Are you here?
Not yet.
I just saw him today. Alice? ALIS? I saw him before. Alias? No? Okay, then I gotta go. Then the rule is you go up one here. Lead Show. Am I saying that? Lead Show? Leedshow. Am I saying it right?
Yeah, lead show.
Lead Show? Lead Show? Are you here tonight? We only got one? Jeez, I'll be here till 11.
Lead show is here.
Congratulations.
Yay.
All right.
That's two.
That's two. Number 135. Number 135. Number 135 is David Schneider. David Schneider. Are you here? David Schneider. I think I know David Schneider. Is David Schneider here? Oh, you're very welcome, Lead Show.
There's David Snyder.
That's number 3.
Yes.
All right, number 203. 203. Number 203 is, I can't say this. Are you kidding me? Zohi Youssef 403. ZOUHIRIYOUSSEF 403. Oh my God, my brain hurts. You're Zuhuri Yusuf. Okay, whatever. All right, is Zuhiri? He's here. How many is that? 4?
Yes.
All right. Number 327. 327 is Harmony Halo Hub. Harmony Halo Hub. Harmony Halo Hub.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, come on. I need 30,400 so I can short this freaking micron tomorrow.
Harmony's here.
That's 5.
Yes.
Okay. Number 388. Number 388. Number 388. I like to reward the people. Who's this? Number Milton Real 999. Milton Real. Milton, are you here, Milton? Milton Real. Milton, are you here, Milton? How much is 20 less 4? What? Is Milton, are you here? Milton, Real?
Oh, there he is.
Milton, congratulations.
6.
That's 6. Number 415. 415 is SK Futures. Jesus.
Great name.
SK Futures. That's not me. Trust me.
Mm-hmm.
It ain't. SK Futures. Did you guys sign up?
No, I know.
SK Futures. We got 6 so far. No, it's not manipulation. It's, who the hell do I know?
There he is.
Are you crazy, Gary? All right. We're going to go number 35. Number 35. We're going to go number 35. Is Donna H. Not G9P. Oh, wow. Donna H. 9GP. No, G9P. I'm dyslexic. Donna H. Are you here?
There she is.
Is that 8? That's 8. I got him. That's 8. Number 197. 197. Poor Denny. He's going back and make him earn his keep tonight. 197 is... Oh, there's no 197. 67 William. 67 William. That's 9. 67 William. 67 William. Are you here?
Yes, there he is.
That's number 9. And the number 10th number for the night is number 310. 310. Get in there. Number 310. And that will be Martin, who's this? Jennifer Cross, is that you?
No way.
Jennifer Cross N2H?
No way.
Is that you, really?
That's me.
I asked you sign. Get out of here.
I can't believe it.
Oh my God. Jennifer, get in there. Oh my God.
I feel like I was doing.
Oh my God. Congratulations. Oh my goodness gracious.
Thank you, Danny. Thank you, Steven.
Well, thank you, my funded futures.
Yeah,
Okay.
Thank you, my funded future.
All right. Well, that's a coincidence. I have no idea. Jesus Christ. I have hand on the Bible. I have no idea. Okay. Just a unbelievable pick. All right. Thank you for joining me tonight, everybody. I'll see you tomorrow night. Unbelievable. That's weird. That's crazy.
Yeah.
No. Have a great night, everybody. Okay. Again, if I will return everyone who called or who texted me, if anybody would like a 5-day free trial or just want to talk to me, I will definitely give you a call back. You could just text me your full name and email to 914-500-7484. Also, please watch my podcast, The Bull, the Bear, and the Ugly. I stream every day from 8:30 to 4. We're working on this big Vegas event. God bless you, everybody. It's 2 minutes before. Thank you, Aaron. Thank you, Denny. Thank you, Jennifer. Again, thanks to all of you for making My Funded Futures the #1 prop firm. I really appreciate it. And I want to say thank you and have a great night. And I hope this NASDAQ can drop because a lot of you are short a lot lower. All right. I think the 30-minute time frames are going to do that. And hopefully you can get the break sometime in the Asia session here. It could look like the first target could be 30, 55, 30, 60, but we'll see. Have a great night, everybody. God bless you. God bless our troops. And God bless the United States of America. Good night, everybody.